Hi guys, I'm Anthony and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur. I've been running my online business for about 4 years now, and I'd just like to share with you this video just to tell you my story and how you can, live the life of your dreams like I am. And it all started when I was in my office. I was working as a project manager in a web agency, and I was just sitting there looking at my screen, wondering, is this what life is about? I was working projects that I was kind of passionate about, but not really. Clients that I was working with were just, I was speaking with them and doing my best for them, but was it what I truly passionately wanted to be doing? The fact that someone else was telling me what to do, I couldn't make my own decisions. I was often overruled by my superiors. Running my online business just gives me the freedom of choice to do what I want to do and not what someone else tells me I should do. It's a regular Tuesday now, and most people 9 to 5 are at work, and by the time they get home they're exhausted from the day. They've got like loads of errands to run, and the kids need attention, and there's dishes to wash and food to cook, and it just feels like your whole day is consumed by that 9 to 5. And typically it's not 9 to 5. You've got to work extra to show that you're worthy of promotion, and you don't want to be the first to leave because it looks like you're the least interested, and it doesn't look good, right? And then you've got the commute just to get to work, and that could be an hour or 2 hours. I mean, for me, I was quite lucky, it was half an hour, but for some people, you might have a 2-3 hour commute, and ask yourself, is it all worth it? There's other paths to life than the 9 to 5 that we've all been, conditioned to take. With an online business, you can set up systems. You can automate much of, the processes in your business, such as the website. It's a 24 hours, 7 days a week salesperson. You've got your ads, like on YouTube, like this one, and Google Ads, and they're running all the time, whether you're awake or whether you're asleep. You've got your products. You've got digital products. They can just be downloaded. They can be video training or any kind of digital recorded webinars or anything like that. It just doesn't require you to be there. So it's just such a great alternative to working in an office. Come across a platform, an online education platform, and they take the whole learning curve away, which would typically take you years to get good at this stuff. And there's a 4-day workshop, and it's completely free, and it literally takes you through everything from start to finish. It's taught by my own mentors, Stuart Ross and Jay Kupasak. And yeah, I mean, you can watch these videos. If you decide it's something you want to explore further, then go ahead. If you don't, then no worries, just unsubscribe from the emails, and you'll never hear from us again. What have you got to lose? You can either spend the rest of your life behind a desk. The retirement age I checked for me is about 67 years old, and I think if I had to stay in that corporate environment till I was 67 years old, and then live on a government pension of all things, which is minuscule, all you need is the dedication and the mindset. You need to believe that you can do it first of all, and this training system that I've come across and that I use myself, it's absolutely amazing. and you have access to mentors who have run like multiple 7-8 figure businesses. You can talk with these people one-on-one. You have mastermind groups, you have regular webinars, you have access to hours upon hours of the latest internet marketing training, and it's not just about the marketing side, it's about personal development as well. You can't run a business if you've got the wrong mindset. You need to have a growth mindset. You need to be able to identify and recognize opportunities, and you need to know how to market to people, how to talk to someone on an emotional level, deep level, and that's what this system can teach you. It's just amazing how quickly you can actually grow a successful online business, as opposed to working as a corporate slave for decades and then just have nothing to show for it at the end of the month. You might have saved up enough for a holiday once a year, or just to pay the bills, but is that all there is to life? Everyone has the potential to do what I've done, and this online business training system called the SFM, they've taken away all the barriers to entry in terms of all the technical skills and knowing how to market effectively and how to build a website and all the rest of it. They've made it so accessible, so literally anyone without any prior knowledge can start a successful online business. Now, it's not going to happen overnight. It does take time, it does take dedication. You're going to have to make sacrifices in the beginning, but then once you've established those systems, you've got your website, you've got your advertising, you've worked out your email sequences and that kind of thing, it's all working on autopilot. You can really live the life of your dreams, the life that you and your family deserve. And as I said, it's completely risk-free. It's 4 days worth of workshop videos. You can click the link somewhere on this video, there'll be a link to check out the videos. I sincerely hope that you have a look. As I say, unsubscribe at any time after you've had a look, and if it's not for you, but I really do hope that there's other people out there, corporate slaves like I was. I hate to use that term, corporate slaves, but after really reflecting on how life was for me, that's how I felt. Okay, I was getting a good wage, and okay, my boss was a nice guy and everything, but there's other paths to life, and I found this path which has done wonders for me, my partner and my family. Just having the time to do what I want. I can literally have a holiday whenever I want. I can I don't have to answer to anybody. I can choose the projects that I'm working on. I can choose the customers that I want to work with. It's just freedom, and I want to give that freedom to as many people out there in the world. That's my passion. So my name's Anthony, and click the link on this video, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye.